Today, crossing over virtual reality into more of the normal world. Unboxing the new DJI Avata 2. Let's see. It's a big box. And I'm really excited. Nice peel. Really right. Nice bag again from DJI. They do know how to make these. Feels sturdy, feels like quality. What's in the top lid? Oh, charging cable, propellers. What's this? Ooh, nice booklets. Never read those. It's no fun. Cover for the lenses, corrective lenses. This is for your forehead connection cable. What's this? Ah. Okay. Accessories inside. Yeah, I found them. Bye bye. Gonna save the best for last. First off, the motion controller. I know it myself. I will put the strap on straight off. If I can actually manage it, of course. This is so cool. I'm so curious on how to fly this. Oh yeah, no, you're not gonna lose this one. Nice. Let's start charging it straight off. Hopefully, yeah, it's pre-charged, so shouldn't take too long. Ah, the charging dock with batteries. Oh. Not sure if they're charged, so I'm gonna start charging those straight off as well. Because I really want to fly with it and pretend. Yeah, it's blinking, so I assume it will start charging. Yes, there we go. Not too much. Okay, goggles first. There's a lot of stuff in here. Ooh. Protective thingies. Spiel. only downside of gadgets nowadays, you have so many things to charge. How is this on the face? Yeah, I'm gonna put this cushion on it. I'm gonna store this so I won't lose it. Only 3 per, oh no, 4 parts. Okay. And put this cushion on because it is really hard on the forehead otherwise. Let's see. Use this additional forehead pad if the lenses are too close to your eyes. Well, I'm gonna use it, but mostly because it's a tad hard, actually. How does this get on here? Yes, I have some figuring out to do. We'll do that later. Charging cable. Gonna get it out of the wrapping and into the bag. USB-C. Adapter cable. Hopefully it's not needed. And the corrective lenses, I'm gonna keep those in there because I don't need them. And an Allen wrench. Well, I need more charging cables, I guess. Got one here. Where do I charge it? I'm so wanting to try this. Luckily also a little bit of power snuck into it. And of course the drone itself. There we go. Oh, it's sweet. Do not touch the air intake to avoid burns. Okay. Charge to activate the intelligent charge battery for the first time, so I need to charge it to activate it. It has a decibel warning. Got the USB-C and the SD card holder there. Got an SD card ordered with it as well. Oops. Let's see. Should fit in there. Like that. So it is installed. Not a peel. Nice. Gimbal cover. Is it gonna be harder or easier to get on? I think it's harder to get on than the R2S cover. Wow. How did I get it off? Or was it the other way around? Yeah, it is easier if you do know how to fit it. I'm gonna start charging this one straight off. We'll do that off camera because I don't have any more charging cables laying around here. Where do I have one? I have one here for the R2S. And it is charging. Nice. There's a lot of stuff here. Now, gonna put it in the box. Everything is charging except for this one, this baby. The remote controller 3 FPV. Let's see. What's in this box? Probably some cable. Ah, another Allen wrench. A manual, which I'm not gonna read. Doodling around is half the fun. But I did have a sneak peek in the on YouTube already. With many thanks to people that actually did the research up front. So this is the one that I will need to loosen up. And the Allen wrench. To loosen this up. I'm still springing back. Okay. Yep. Or do I need to tension it up? It could actually be it. Well, it didn't look this hard when I was investigating it on YouTube. Let's see. Okay, now it's starting to get better. Now it's not returning to its base. So that's good. Now I have control. So it's tensioning up that we need to do. Yeah, now it's got some sturdiness to it. Might want it a little bit looser. Yeah, this. think this is just about good for me. Yeah, this is how I like it. I can put it center if I want to. It's not springing back. This is good. But it's gonna be motion controller first. Get the hang of this thing, know what it's capable of, and having some fun. Oh, this is gonna be good. Excellent.